Hey builders, Danny Small here, Lean Six Sigma engineer and construction innovator. Welcome to episode 2 of Principles of Lean Construction. Today we're continuing our series on waste with the first form of waste, overproduction. The definition of overproduction is producing a component too fast, at the wrong time, or in too great a quantity for a process. For example, an electrical contractor assembling extra electrical whips for stock. An equipment manager prepping and mobilizing more tools or pieces of equipment than is needed for a job. A framer pre-cutting pieces of lumber to keep on hand. A material installer unpackaging more materials than they need at a time. This can also apply to information or data. For example, generating a highly detailed report when a summary will suffice. Now you might be thinking, what's the problem? We're going to use this stuff anyway. Isn't it smart to prep ahead? Let me tell you why overproduction is bad. First of all, making too much of something obviously results in a buildup of that component. And that buildup is usually not tracked properly and may go to waste. And even if overproduction is tracked, it can unnecessarily tie up assets and often cost money to store it. Secondly, if something's made too early, the delay before it's used can cause confusion and the material can become misapplied, misused, damaged, or stolen. All this adds up to serious and usually hidden costs in delays, rework, reproduction, and material waste. Now, the key to eliminating overproduction is planning. You need to know your process like the back of your hand and train your people to align the timing, quantity, and rate of production of each component in the process. What you want is smooth process flow, with each step's production happening at just the right timing, the right quantity, and the right rate to keep things running smoothly and meet your customer needs. What are your thoughts on overproduction? How have you seen overproduction manifest itself in your processes? And what are you doing to overcome overproduction and the costs associated with it? I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks for checking in and keep building.